Let's take a look at another Airfix 1600 Classic. This is the light cruiser HMS Ajax of the Battle of the River Plate fame. Being an older kit, it lacks quite a lot of detail, so do a bit of research and work out the details that you want to add. In the next slide, you're going to see both an original main armament turret and a modified one, and also a 4-inch twin mount with detail added. In this shot, you can see the lack of detail on the superstructure walls, and also note I've taken a lot of care to smoothen the joint between the superstructure walls and the deck on top. And here we can see the same section of superstructure wall with detail added. This slide shows armor belt fitted and also the funnel scribed, which not my best work. I need to work on my technique for that. The bridge appears to be too far forward, and so I've moved it back about 2 or 3 millimeters. You also have to modify the locating plinth to do so. Here we can see photo etch added to the aircraft catapult, and a little bit of detail started to be placed on the aft superstructure. Here you can see some ready-use ammunition lockers fitted, and also note the change in relative position between the 4-inch mounts and the whaler. Photo etch yard arms have gone on the masts here. These final slides show the model being completed and then displayed for final photos. The photo etch is the white ensign models set for HMS Ajax. The aircraft and the rest of the model are hand painted using Humbrol enamels and brush. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation of another vintage classic Airfix kit. Be sure to check out my channel if you want to see a lot more videos of Airfix 1600 builds.